Welcome to Chain Reaction by Capital Copilot, your daily dose of the latest in cryptocurrency news, market insights, and blockchain trends. Let's get started. Bitcoin rebounds above $77,000, while Federal Reserve futures now price in a 54% probability of rate hikes this December. SpaceX reveals massive Bitcoin holdings in IPO filing, and Hyperliquid captures 43% of crypto fee revenue as platform dominance reshapes market dynamics. Bitcoin is trading at $77,121 after bouncing from support near $76,000 at the 50-day moving average. CME FedWatch tool shows 54.1% odds of December rate hikes versus prior easing expectations, driven by rising Treasury yields. The 10-year yield hit 4.67%, while the 30-year reached 5.18%. This hawkish repricing triggered nearly $1 billion in Bitcoin ETF outflows, ending a 6-week inflow streak. SpaceX filed its S-1 registration statement revealing holdings of 18,712 Bitcoin valued at $1.29 billion at quarter end, though worth approximately $1.45 billion at current prices. The aerospace giant is targeting a $1.75 trillion valuation in what could become the largest IPO in history, surpassing Saudi Aramco's $29.4 billion record. Hyperliquid has emerged as the dominant revenue generator in crypto, capturing 43% of the industry's total fee market with approximately $11 million in weekly fees, significantly outpacing Ethereum at 13% and Solana at 10%. Andreessen Horowitz accumulated 2.34 million HYPE tokens, worth over $102 million since mid-April, with recent purchases immediately staked to signal long-term conviction. The Clarity Act advanced through Senate Banking Committee with a 15-9 bipartisan vote on May 14th. The bill would transfer cryptocurrency spot market oversight from the SEC to the CFTC, though implementation faces capacity challenges as the CFTC workforce dropped 21.5% between fiscal 2024 and 2025. Crypto firms including Coinbase, Ripple, Paxos, and Circle received conditional approval for national trust bank charters, positioning them for Federal Reserve master account access. South Carolina Governor Henry McMaster signed legislation protecting cryptocurrency users and Bitcoin miners while banning state participation in central bank digital currencies. The law prohibits restrictions on accepting digital assets, protects self-custody rights, and restricts discriminatory zoning against mining facilities. South Carolina joins Oklahoma, Florida, Kentucky, Wyoming, Arizona, and Montana in passing Bitcoin rights legislation. Circle announced USDC integration with Hyperliquid through partnership with Coinbase. The move positions USDC to challenge Tether's dominant 67.3% stablecoin market share. Hyperliquid commands 30% of on-chain perpetual market share and 46% of on-chain open interest. GitHub confirmed approximately 3,800 internal repositories were stolen after an employee installed a malicious Visual Studio Code extension. Team PCP claimed responsibility and offered the data for at least $50,000. That's a wrap for today's edition of Chain Reaction by Capital Copilot. We hope you're feeling more informed and ready to navigate the cryptoverse. Until next time, keep your digital wallets ready.